But the government needs to provide solutions in terms of jobs, so that at least those who are consuming so much of these local brews, so the consumption of the local brews, the government must provide. The court did say that the local brews are not illegal. These are part of our culture, part of the traditional, the African jurisprudence, okay? And coming up with laws that are protecting these local brewers, because for a person to resolve to be selling changa or muratina or busa, this is a person who has reached rock bottom, and this is a person who needs salvation, the economic salvation. And therefore, what do you do as a leader before we say that we want to ban these brews? And these brews, when you look at how they are manufactured, is through fractional distillation, and they are always very pure, and they open the mind. But we don't encourage excessive consumption of these local brews. You consume for thy stomach's sake, okay? Just a little for the road. But the government needs to provide solutions in terms of jobs, so that at least those who are consuming so much of these local brews, so the consumption of the local brews, the government must provide solutions through provision of jobs, because an idle mind is a devil's workshop. When a comrade is there consuming, which means they lack jobs. If somebody starts consuming in the morning, they don't have jobs. So we need to provide jobs, and even for those who are also selling, they have children they're taking care of, provision of food, rent for themselves, and also for their own growth, right? Paying school fees to for their children. So the government must come up with measures before even going deep into that. But I don't support that excessive consumption. And for the brewers who are brewing and adding certain things like formalin, that you are already getting preserved as you are walking, that is promotion of death. That is not good. Okay.